guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here on LayerEdge, and today we are going to be able to print not to print sorry, to mint our pledge pass. Okay, and it's going to be costing around $2 in Ethereum base on the base network. So if you have some $2, you can go ahead and claim it, but here, as you can see, they are saying you'll be able to get it back on TGE. So as you can see, the claim button has appeared here, and I'm going to click on mint. I'm going to open my MetaMask wallet, and I guess it's going to be costing around $2. Let us give it time. I don't know why it's taking too long. Alright, so it has appeared here, and they are saying I have less gas fees. Really? I thought they are on the base network. I do have enough gas fees. Oh, alright, so I guess it was the network. So I'm going to click on confirm. Click on confirm, and they have submitted the transaction, and here I'm seeing minted. So I have minted this pass. As I said, you have to read here 100%, like receive 100% mint fees back at TGE, and also a percentage of Airdrop dedicated for OG pledge pass holders. So if you're holding this, you also get some percentage of the tokens on TGE. Then also let us mint this. So what you should note, this is free, so you don't have to spend any amount of money. Let us click on mint free. Let us also mint it. I don't know why I remember I put lock immediately after exiting. That's why they request for my fingerprint every time. I think they should bring some transaction. Yes, this is free. I guess you just have to pay for some small gas fees. As you can see, it's $0, but since we are on the main net of base, we have to pay some gas fees. So click on confirm, and let us give it some time to be submitted. And that is submitted. So it is not compulsory that you should get this OG pass. It's not compulsory, but if at all you want to get some extra allocation, as you can see here, and also they are promising you'll get back your mint fees on TGE 100%. So if I spent I don't remember if it was $1.96, they are saying you'll get back these mint fees on the token generation event when they launch their tokens. Also, what you should know, they give some boost points. So when you have this, you get 3x, whereas when you have this free pledge, you will be getting 1.2. So I'm having like 4.2x right now on my points. I have minted both the passes. That's what I wanted you guys to know before you proceed. What you should know, you're going to get a boost on your points. So these points that we are farming, let me click on dashboard. So right now I have, like, the way that these points are going to be like moving, I'll be getting more points. I'll be getting more points when the points are increasing or incrementing. Sorry, as they are incrementing, I'll be getting like 4.2x, because remember I got the 3x boost and the 1.2x boost. And right now I guess it is slow because everyone is trying to meet the passes. That's why it's now slow. As you can see, it's good that I made the video immediately the countdown finished, but right now everybody is running to meet those passes. That's why you're seeing the site is kinda slow. So right now what I'm having a 4.2x boost on my points because I minted the 2 passes. So click here on mint, and as you can see I minted this. So also here, click on menu, we can go under tasks and we can claim these points because I minted the OG pass, so we can verify this if at all I minted them, and they are going to be giving me 8,000 points. I'm going to open my wallet to confirm this. So they are going to check if at all I minted those passes, and I'll be able to claim those extra points. I don't know why, but it takes some time to check these transactions. Okay, so I'm going to confirm, click on confirm for them to check if at all I have that pass. I've clicked on confirm, and here they have taken me back showing submitting. I don't know if it will happen in real time or it will take some time to check. Let us go also to this and see if at all we minted the other free pass. Let me click on verify. Let us give it time. Confirm. I don't know if it happens in real time, but I'm going to try to refresh the screen. I don't know if it's not allowed to, if you're not allowed to do that. I really don't know. It's showing submit. I'm going to refresh the page and I see. Yeah, right now I think they have some bugs as we are talking right now, so I guess people are over visiting the site. As you can see, they are even bringing a pop-up as if I'm just signing up. So this is a freestyle. It's not that I know how things work on a fly, so I'm just doing it right now with you guys. Let us give it some time, refresh. All right, so I guess I'll keep on doing this. I'll make a video about them when I do verify. Let's first go back to the wallet here. Okay, I'm left with around 1.2. Okay, let me try to submit again, because what they have to do is just verify on chain excuse me, if I have that pass. Excuse me. Confirm. Confirm. They are saying invalid signature. Let us try again. So if it takes long, I'll have to end the video. Still they are showing that error, invalid signature, so we're going to have to wait for some time. I guess people are over, everybody's, I think everybody's trying to do those tasks, so the system is somehow throwing back errors. So we're going to wait, and I'll be letting you know, guys. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.